Welcome to a Rather Watch Paint Dry, Photogrammetry and Video Games Follow-Up. This is a follow-up to the last photogrammetry video I did. The link for that is below. In that one I used 3D F-Zephyr to turn my ship I use in No Man's Sky into a model. I had some success. While not perfect, it was somewhat usable. Just needed to fix some of the holes. I came across another photogrammetry program called Reality Capture. Unlike others, they give you the full program, and you only have to pay to export your model. This is the reason for the follow-up. Took the original gameplay footage I had, re-edited it, and ran it through this program. The results were way better, as you can see from the pictures. The holes in the wings are much smaller. I have a new plan now, to get some new gameplay footage, since there is no limit to the picture count, so I can have a much bigger video file. Watch out for more photogrammetry videos in the future. Don't forget to like and subscribe.